Thank you for watching videos by Jeff Sibelius. I'm working hard on reviews of several drones right now, including the Potensic Atom 2, Skyrover X1, and the Holy Stone HS790. As I'm working on the videos, you can check out several sample clips taken by the three drones to see what they can do. In this episode, I'll showcase sample footage from the Holy Stone HS790. Each clip is very short, so you have several samples to test for yourself. I'll show them here. You can also download the original clips, unedited and straight out at the camera, from the link in the description below. Download the clips, look them over closely, and try editing them for yourselves. All I ask is that you do not publish them without attribution to my channel. Be sure to subscribe so you'll know when the reviews are published. For now, here are sample clips from the Holy Stone HS790. Thanks for watching, and be sure to download the samples. They're free and available for you to check out. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and watch for reviews coming soon.